SPLocal2.com. Back to you.
And Kim, speaking of the reward, there's a huge reward out right now by the governor's office. Isn't that right?
Yes, Stella, the governor's office has put up $50,000. Of course, they're asking for the public's help. If someone saw something, call Desert Hot Springs Police. Her mother is really hoping that that's going to happen. She's still holding out hope.
Thank you so much, Kim. And as you can see, at 6 o'clock in the morning right now, there are cars just going up and down. So somebody must have seen something. Thank you very much, Kim.
It's a very busy road there. I know.
Very busy.
Used to coach football there.
You know that, Todd and Stella. Be honest now.
I don't know.
You know, I knew that because you asked us earlier this morning. Todd was like, I don't know. Battle of the Puebla between the French and the Mexican army, right?
Exactly. And I have my suspicions about Todd. He's
live at Ruth Hardy Park with the Laughing Yogi. Kim, I know it may sound silly, but there are some serious health benefits.
Oh, there are, Stella, and you'll learn all about them. You know where you can see him. So you guys can continue laughing. This is a great exercise. Join us at home. Please do it to start your Monday morning off right with that bowl of cereal. Back to you guys.
I don't want to do this in my car and scare people away. Imagine people are like, what's wrong with that one?
Kim, there was one of those there where Kim didn't look like she was laughing. It looked like she was about to brace for a car accident.
That was great. That was great. And joining us this morning to talk about Danny's drastic transformation is Dr. Andrew Orden from The Doctors. He also has an office here in Rancho Mirage. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, you two.
All right, well, today is a big day. We're going to see a new Danny. What did you guys do to him? We actually have pictures, and we're going to pop up those pictures so you can explain.
Well, first of all, Danny did it on his own. He did it the natural.
Getting through the holidays and just need that extra assistance. We're live in Indio. I'm Kimberly Chang, KPSPLocal2.com. Back to you.
Yeah, Kim, during Hunger Action Month, we profiled so many different faces of the less fortunate these days because of the economy. And 3,000 meals, all because of you out there.
And we're just talking about one organization that's offering 3,000 meals, but around the Coachella Valley, there are so many ways to give back, Stella. You know,
we've had him on a bunch. Jake Steinfeld, you know him from Body by Jake. Jake is also the chairman of the Governor's Fitness Council. Good morning to you, sir.
Todd, Stella, how you guys doing this morning?
We are great and better now that you're here.
Well, you know, first of all, you guys have been so terrific to our Governor's Council on Physical Fitness and Sport here in California. You know, every time we come to Palm Springs, I love to do your show. Every time we leave.
We have a new governor as of January.
Yes.
So what is your future and what is your role in, you know, next in getting kids out there exercising?
Well, that's a great question, Stella. I mean, you know, over the past 6 years, Governor Schwarzenegger, a big fitness advocate.